face of adversity. Tilak's life was a testament to his courage and conviction. Fearlessly challenging the British rule, he advocated for Swaraj. His iconic slogan, "Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it," became a rallying cry of the nation. Through his newspapers, Kesari and Maratha, Tilak spread awareness about British atrocities and inspired a generation of Indians to join the fight for freedom. His leadership and vision played a pivotal role in shaping India's struggle for independence. As we remember Tilak today, let us draw inspiration from his life and work. Let us strive to build a nation true to his ideals, a nation that is proud, strong and just. Tilak's legacy continues to inspire us to fight for what is rightfully ours. Let us honor his memory by working towards a brighter future for our country. Tilak's tireless efforts mobilized the masses, demanding their rights and freedoms. His leadership paved the way for future generations, reminding us that courage and vision can shape a nation's destiny. Today, let us pay tribute to a true son of India, Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak, on his punyatithi. His unwavering commitment to India's freedom and belief in the power of the people remain etched in our hearts. Jai Hind!
रत्नागिरीचे रत्न भारता भाग्याचे ठरले, सत्य साहस आणि नीतीचे बाळकडू प्याले. तळमळ लागे बालमनाला स्वतंत्र राष्ट्राची, अन्यायाची चिडे तसे टिळकांना भारी. बालवयातील गोष्ट सांगते आता टिळकांची, मनापासून चीड तयांना ये अन्यायाची. बालसवंगडी शेंगा खाऊन टरफल वर्गात, टाकून देती गुरुजी बघते येऊन रागात. उसो लागले सर्वांना परी कोणी ना बदती, क्रमाक्रमाने शिक्षा सारे सवंगडी घेती. टिळकांवरती येई पाळी शिक्षेची आता, परी करेना शिक्षा देण्या बाळ पुढे हाता. निरापराधी असता मजला शिक्षा का व्हावी, बालमनाला शल्य पोचले उदास अति होई. बालवयातील हाच बाळगो राष्ट्रपुरुष झाला, स्वराज्य माझा जन्मसिद्ध हा हक्क असे बदला. या जीवना फुले सार्थक करारे, राष्ट्रभक्तीने स्वार्थ करारे, एकजुटीने कार्य कराया देशाचे. साथी बनान सार्थ करारे, मातृभूमी आज पुकारे. जागृत हो